2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, compass, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.